Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken out the resistance of this down channel, and in today's video we will also take a look at this move, and we will also watch this breakout from this to $21,900 as well. And right now on the weekly time frame chart, this is a very important move that Bitcoin is trying to break out this 200 weekly simple moving average. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And previously we were watching that we were having a fake out to the downside, and I was telling you in my previous video that it can be a fake out because at the same time we are having a bullish divergence while the price line was breaking down this channel and it was forming lower than previous low. At the same time, if we watch stochastic, it was forming higher low than previous. So therefore I was telling you that there is a very high probability that the price line may recover back and re-enter the channel and try to break out the resistance. And at this time you can see it has re-entered the channel and even broke out the resistance of this down channel. And our target for this down channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $24,200, and so far it has moved up to $23,452, and it is possible that soon we may hit the target for this down channel after this breakout. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here after a long time period Bitcoin has broken out this down channel resistance, and at the same time it also formed an ascending triangle here as well. This was the resistance of the ascending triangle, and here we had an uptrend line support, and you can see with that we have several touch points at the support, and after several touch points at the resistance, finally we broke it out here. And while we were moving down here, I was expecting that we are testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, but we even moved more down and tested this support of the triangle. Therefore I was telling you that we are having a bullish divergence on the smaller time frame, and at the same time we are testing this uptrend line support of this triangle. That was a triangle support in fact. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have another reversal move from this support, and you can see that we have broken out the resistance of the smaller down channel, and at the same time we have broken out this resistance of the triangle, and also this key resistance. Once again, $21,900, we have broken it out, and you can see previously this level has been breaking as a support here, resistance, and right now we are again above this resistance. Now if we watch on the weekly time frame, this is very important move, because this is a very strong resistance, the 200 weekly simple moving average. And you can see if we watch the previous history of Bitcoin, whenever it moves below the price line, it works as a very strong support. And this is for the first time that we have several candlesticks close below than this support. We had a very long spike to the downside here back in March 2020, and even this candlestick was closed below than this support of 200 weekly simple moving average. You can see that the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average was $5,500, and we had a closing at $5,343. But on the very next week we recovered back and we had a very big rally. And before that, you can see it has been testing this level as a support back in 2015, and here back in 2018, and in March for a while we broke it down but recovered back. And right now this is for the first time we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 candlesticks have been closed below than this support. So for more than 6 weeks we are moving below than this resistance of 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average is $22,793, and we are moving at $23,163, and we are very close to the end of the week. And once the candlestick will be closed above this resistance of 200 weekly simple moving average, then there will be a very high probability that soon it will also try to break this key resistance of on the long term. We have this key resistance of $28,600 to start the long-term rally, because previously this level has been breaking as a very strong support since after January 2021. Therefore, if the price line reaches there, then it will be very difficult for Bitcoin to break out this resistance. Now, if we want the target for this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, approximately here at $47,500, and in order to hit the target for this down channel, we will first need to break out this key resistance of $28,600. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.